I'll call you back, okay?
Apply a light shade of BB cream all over the face, including the neck. Blend using a damp beauty blender. Fill in your eyebrows using a brown shape. Start by outlining the tail and work your way inwards. Blend using a spoolie. Apply concealer under the eyes, on the eyelids, and on your imperfections. Set your makeup using a powder. Apply a gold shimmer all over the eyelids. Apply a dark pink eyeshadow on the outer part of your eyes. Blend your eyeshadow inwards. Put the same shade of dark pink eyeshadow under the eyes. Blend any harsh lines. Blend everything using a peach eyeshadow. Apply a shimmery eyeshadow under the eyes. Use a brown eyeshadow as an eyeliner. Contour your nose. Apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and your nose as well. Use a pinkish nude shade of lipstick. Apply a darker shade of lipstick on the inner part of your lips and blend using your fingers. I'm using a beauty blender to fade out the edges of my lips. Apply highlighter on the highest points of your face. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. Use a setting spray to set everything.